Welcome to your very own channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, we are discussing a widely publicized and controversial case that reached the Supreme Court in July 2025, where a woman demanded 12 crore rupees as alimony, a BMW car, and a luxury flat in Mumbai after just 18 months of marriage. But the real story isn't just the demand, it's the court's response, the legal arguments, and what this case means for maintenance law in India. Let's understand this case in depth. Part 1: Background of the case. The marriage took place in 2015. However, within just 18 months, the couple separated. The husband filed for annulment, claiming the wife suffered from schizophrenia, which had not been disclosed before marriage. The wife denied these allegations and instead accused the husband and in-laws of mental and emotional cruelty. She filed a criminal case in Mumbai under Section 498 of the IPC, alleging domestic violence and harassment. This marked the beginning of multiple legal battles in family court, criminal court, and later the Bombay High Court. Part 2: Proceedings in the Bombay High Court. In 2024, the husband filed a petition before the Bombay High Court under Section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code, seeking to quash the FIR registered by his wife. Husband's arguments. The FIR was false and vague, intended only to pressurize him during ongoing matrimonial litigation. The allegations lacked specific dates or evidence and were a misuse of Section 498A. Wife's counter. She stood by her complaint, stating she had suffered genuine cruelty and had evidence to support her claims. Bombay High Court's decision. The court refused to quash the FIR, stating the allegations needed to be tested during trial. The case was allowed to proceed. Part 3: Escalation to the Supreme Court. In mid-2025, the husband approached the Supreme Court of India, seeking relief from the pending criminal case and hoping for an overall settlement of all disputes. That's when the case took a dramatic turn. Part 4: Wife's demands in Supreme Court. The wife appeared in person, and being a qualified MBA and IT professional, she made the following demands. 1. 12 crore rupees as full and final lump sum alimony. 2. A BMW luxury car. 3. Full ownership of a luxury flat in Kalpataru Complex, Mumbai. She claimed she had to give up her job due to the marriage, and therefore deserved substantial compensation. Part 5: Husband's arguments. In the Supreme Court, Senior Advocate Madhvi Diwan, representing the husband, strongly opposed the demands. She submitted that the BMW car was scrapped years ago. The wife is already living in the Mumbai flat, which has 2 parking spots. The demand of 12 crore rupees was unreasonable, especially after a marriage that lasted less than 2 years. Part 6: Supreme Court's strong observations. The bench, comprising Chief Justice B.R. Gavai, Justice K. Vinod Chandran, and Justice N.V. Anjaria, made sharp observations. CJI Gavai remarked, "आप इतनी पढ़ी लिखी है, खुद कमा के खाना चाहिए. You are well educated. You should earn for yourself." And further said, "Your marriage lasted only 18 months. Now you want 12 crore rupees and a BMW?" The court questioned the ethics and legality of such a high claim when the wife had the capability to work and be financially independent. Part 7: Supreme Court's interim proposal. To resolve the matter amicably, the court gave the wife 2 options. 1. Retain the flat in Mumbai, free from any dispute, or 2. Accept a 4 crore rupees lump sum settlement and look for a job in IT hubs like Bengaluru, Pune, or Hyderabad. The court also offered to quash the FIR if a mutual settlement was reached. Part 8: Key legal issues. This case raises some critical legal questions. Can such exorbitant demands be justified after a short marriage? Should a person with higher education and earning potential rely on alimony? Can ancestral or family property of a husband be claimed in maintenance? When should courts use Section 482 CRPC to quash criminal cases in matrimonial disputes? Is maintenance about support or enrichment? Part 9 Present Status July 2025. Current Position. The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment. A final written order is yet to be delivered. However, based on the observations, it is evident that the court is leaning toward reasonable maintenance based on actual need, encouraging self-reliance for educated spouses, preventing misuse of maintenance laws for unjust enrichment. Part 10 Legal Insights and Conclusion. This case is not just sensational, it's legally significant. It reinforces that Section 125 CRPC is meant for support, not for luxury. Courts are recognizing that capable individuals must also contribute to their own financial stability. It may set a precedent for future alimony cases involving educated spouses. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.